up, ladies, gents, boys, and girls? So, as you can tell by the title, we're moving again. So, welcome to a moving vlog. This honestly came as a surprise to me that we are moving. This was not a planned move. We actually were planning on moving this summer, but it so happens that we ended up getting an apartment early and we're gonna be moving in literally 2 days. So let me kind of explain what happened here because, girl, it's just a lot, okay? So basically, we were planning on moving to Georgia. As most of you guys know, I updated you in like a vlog a while ago. But I have a friend who lives in Atlanta and she lives in this like really beautiful high-rise apartment, and I asked her how she likes it because I kind of wanted some type of insight before we decided to move. And she told me it was the worst decision that she has ever made in her life, and she instantly regretted moving there as soon as she got there. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe this isn't worth the adventure and the risk in life. You know, maybe I'll just stay here. So, also, as most of you guys know, we lived in Orlando a couple years ago, so we just decided we're gonna go back to Orlando. That's our hometown. That's where we're comfortable. We love Orlando. Like, that is... it's our home. You know how you go to a place and you feel like so nostalgic? Is that a word? Nostalgic. Yeah, you feel like nostalgic. That's how I feel when I go to Orlando, and that's how you know you're home. You know what I mean? So we found an apartment yesterday, and we called the apartment complex and they said that they have the apartment ready. And you know, it's all available and stuff. So we ended up getting it, and originally they said our move-in date was April 30th, which is close because it's March 29th right now. So that would be literally like a month away, and that means I would only have a month to pack up. But last night, oh my god, my boyfriend comes in the room, I'm working, I'm like chill, right? Because I'm like, okay, I have a month until I have to move. I don't have to worry about like getting everything together like right now. He came in to my little workspace, he came into my personal bubble and said, Morgan, we are moving in 3 days. Our move-in date is now April 1st. So I'm stressed, basically, okay? I'm stressed, I'm freaking out, my anxiety is like through the roof. And yeah, I'm basically just like all over the place. But last night, in the middle of the night, I literally started like packing, getting my stuff together, taking things out of drawers, organizing, doing all of that, and just trying to, as quickly as possible, prepare. So we are moving. That is the update. So this is part one of a moving vlog. It's going to be very quick. It's going to be very fast paced. We're going to get through this like boom, boom, boom. Let's get into everything. So this is the current situation on the floor, which is actually kind of organized. So right here we have dirty clothes. I like to wash everything, no matter if it's dirty or clean, before I go to make sure like everything smells nice and fresh. So this is my still need to wash pile, but trust me, it was like way bigger. Last night it was like way up here. So we have made an improvement here. And then this pile right here, Trico. Oh my god, she is so hyper right now. But this pile right here is all of my clean clothes. I haven't folded them. I haven't like put them in boxes yet, but we will get to that in a little bit. Right here, these are my boyfriend's clothes. Yeah, he has a little pile here, so I will have him go through this whenever he gets home to kind of decide what he wants to keep and if he wants to throw anything away. And then also up here, these are like our lounging, chill type of clothes, plus his boxers. So coming out into the living room, I pretty much just have like magazines, books, home decor, that kind of thing out here. I'm trying to at least be a little bit organized because, I mean, typically I am not known to be organized. So like, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. And then over here, the very last pile that we have, this is all garbage and random things that have no point of keeping. For example, this, like, you hit people with it, like it's something you hit people with, and I just don't need that in my life, you feel me? I have like swimming fins. It's just a mess. So this all needs to go. Yeah, like, see ya. Okay, so that is basically my situation right now, my messy, chaotic situation. One thing I actually do need to do right now is go out and get some boxes and packing tape because I only have 3 small boxes, and as you guys saw, all of my stuff is not going to fit in 3 small boxes, and all of my stuff is not even like here. There is still so much more that I need to pack and go through, and obviously we will be doing that in this vlog. Like, I need to go through makeup, I need to go through like just a ton of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go head out and get some boxes so we can start packing. All right. Alright guys, so I am home from Target and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. It is freaking hot outside, okay? It's like 91 degrees, I'm sweating so bad. But then again, I am in a turtleneck and jeans and boots, so like, I can't really complain about the weather if I'm dressed like this, but still, it's going to be a very hot, difficult move because girl, it's so freaking hot. But I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. As probably expected, I got way more than I needed to from Target because it's freaking Target and it happens every time, you feel me? So first up, I decided to get some more hangers. I just want to be sure that all of my clothes can be hung up. I don't know where all of my hangers go, but I end up losing them and then my clothes just end up sitting on the floor. And then, oh my god guys, this is everything, okay? This candle, it literally smells like Anthropology. Like, you guys know the smell if you've been into an Anthropology before. It smells so freaking good, and this exactly smells like the Anthropology candle. And this one is called Citrus Grove, and it's a really big candle, and it was only $25.99, which is kind of expensive, but for this big of a candle, I think it's a freaking steal. I also got 2 lint rollers. I have 3 cats. I need these. These are like essential. Plus, I just want to like lint roll all of the black clothes and the bedding and all of that stuff before I take it to make sure there's like not a lot of cat hair going into the new apartment. So, got those. I also got some more Tide Pods. And then I also got this, which I did not need because I have so much cleaner, but I got the Myers Clean Day Basil scent, which smells really good, so got that. And I also got this moisturizer. I am planning on trying it out, so I'll let you guys know how that works out. And then in here is just some dishes, just some white dishes. I got 2 plates, 2 bowls, and then 2 like salad bowls. And obviously, I forgot about this, the packing boxes. This comes in a 8-pack. I don't know if that's enough or not, probably not, but yeah, I have 8 boxes here. I have 3 downstairs, and I mean, worst case scenario, I'll go back to Target to get more, but for now, we'll see how much we can fit in these. So let's get to packing, ladies and gentlemen, the most exciting part.
Pulling up, being on swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pulling up, being on swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. I don't wanna talk or to listen. Diamonds on me drip, I'm a wishing well. Don't know what you seen in me, girl. You was my all, you believed in me, girl. First day we spent was on real to me, girl. Next time I promise to give you the world. Diamonds be shining, you dripping in pearls. Girl, I ain't lying, you know you my world. Girl, I can't pass up on my love. Addicted to you like a drug. Hoping that this is enough. Running to you, you the one.
Alright guys, so we are making some progress. We have 3 boxes of home decor. I can still fit some stuff in there, but I left room because I know there's going to be things that will need a spot. So there's some space in there for that. And then up here, I just have things that I can't physically pack into boxes. So I'm gonna be like setting these into my car very gently, of course. So next up, we are going to move. Oh my God, what is happening here with my hair? Okay, so next up, we're gonna do like accessories and then this drawer here, which is full of like makeup and stuff like that. So we're gonna do like a little organizing time lapse. I'm gonna put things either in like a throwaway pile or a take with me pile. So time to organize this drawer. Let's do it.
Yeah. Equipment fucking up and shit. We gonna let shit stop us.
your line about a week ago. No response though. In the Maybach, love convo. Your best friend, my best friend, look good on the low though. You want me, I want you. Old flames gotta go though. They can't compare. I swear, love in the air. Now where you wanna go? It's cold. I saw me froze. You know, you with me can't front. I got no guard.
That cuts it. I'm done. I am done for tonight. It is 2:42. I've been at it literally the entire day, ever since 7 a.m. So like, I'm done. I'm going to take a shower because I need it. I'm sweating so freaking bad right now. I've sweat in places that should not sweat. And after, I'm gonna literally lay down, watch TV, play Animal Crossing because I deserve it, okay? Even if that means working all day tomorrow, that's fine because I'm just tired and I don't feel like doing it right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning to do day 2 of moving vlogs. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to day 2 of the moving vlog. So yesterday when I told you guys that I was done for the day and I wanted to go take a little nappy and play Animal Crossing, well, that was a lie. I pretty much just lied down, tried to take a little nap, and the only thing that was running through my mind is you have literally 2 days to pack up your life and leave, and everything's a freaking mess. So I just jumped out of bed and continued. So there's that. So I did make a little bit of progress last night, although progress whenever you're moving, at least for me, it feels like the complete opposite. Like now I just have a mess and it feels like I didn't make progress, which is really frustrating. But I will show you guys what I did and what I am in the process of doing. Also, I went to Target last night and bought this pillow and this pillow. So now they're like, I kind of want to go for like that vintage, kind of mismatched, really like cozy vibe. So yeah, so I have this pillow here is from HomeGoods from a while ago. These are like my everyday couch pillows. This one is the new one from Target, again an everyday couch pillow. And then this again is from Target, the everyday one, and then another HomeGoods one over there. So like I kind of like the vibe that it's giving off, you know what I mean? I like the little pop of color, so that's the vibe that I'm going for. I just wanted to get some additional pillows for whenever we move. Not that I need more pillows, but yeah, it's cute. So, couch update. Guys, so everything is packed into the car. We are at maximum capacity when it comes to boxes. I cannot possibly fit another box in there. That being said, I think I can fit some pillows in there, so I'm gonna try to squeeze some pillows like on top of the boxes and stuff. It's not like a pillow's gonna break if it falls over, so I really don't care. I just want to stuff as much stuff into my car as possible. So I just don't have to do all of that stuff later. So let's go put some pillows in mi carro. So before I go, Trico decided to run away, as you guys saw. She got like her first burst of freedom and she was so excited. Luckily this morning, I don't know what made me do it, but I put her collar on and it has a little bell, and I never put that collar on her before, but I just spontaneously did it, and I would have never known she was outside unless I heard that collar jingle. So intuition, mother's intuition, guys. I'm so freaking smart. But like, yeah, I grabbed her. She was like running across like the neighbors' houses and she was like meowing. So yeah, I grabbed her. She's all good. It's just so weird because I've never had a cat that wants to go outside. My other two, they're terrified to go outside. Like they will peek out the door, but they will just run back in. So it was kind of weird whenever she ran out. Like I didn't expect it. I guess I just forgot that she could possibly do that. I don't know, but now I know that she will run, so that's in the back of my mind. So yeah, let's go put some pillows in the car. Let's do that.
Yeah,
All right, so here's the situation. I didn't get to show you guys, but that is pretty much all pillows. Pillow, boxes, yes. Let me show you guys. Okay. Like when I told you guys we're at maximum capacity, we had that much room. We're full. Great.
I swear, love in the air. Now where you wanna go? It's cold. I saw me froze. You know, you with me can't front. I got no guard. All of the scars in my heart.
I think it's time to work on clothes, mama. You gonna stay there? Okay, we're gonna work on this next. We're gonna figure out this whole situation. And also, we sorted through my boyfriend's clothes last night. He is not keeping these, he is keeping these, so we're gonna bag these up. I have some clothes up there. I still need to wash all the bedding, but I will wash that tomorrow before we leave. Clean socks on the floor that I need to like match. And then obviously these. So clothing is the next mission. Let's get it.
They done bashed up. Ex wanna come through with mess, got a mash up. But it's alright. We meet up at night. Turn up the tunes and cut out the lights. Girls just smile. Or maybe your eyes. You taking my heart. Gotta do this shit right. Gotta do this shit.
Alright guys, so that was part 1 of the moving vlogs. There will be another one coming very soon where I do an apartment tour, we officially move in and unpack everything. So make sure you have your freaking notifications on and you're subscribed so you can see that. It's gonna be a good freaking video. I'm excited to show you guys the apartment. I'm excited to see it for the first time because I don't think I told you guys, but we blindly got this apartment. We did not do a tour. We did not do a virtual tour. We have honestly no idea what it looks like. We saw a layout and that is it. So I am super excited to see it and bring you guys along with me. So make sure you guys stay tuned so you can watch that video as well, and also like and comment for more moving vlogs and moving content because I would love to put out some more for you guys. So I will see you soon in the very next vlog. Stay safe, wash your hands. I love you.